Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to join the WISE Affiliate Program. So I'm just going to tell you everything you need to know about WISE Affiliate Program and why you need to be part of it if you are an affiliate marketer. Now let's hop right into it. The first thing I'd like you to do, we're going to launch WISE. This is my WISE account and here you go. I'm on the Mac. Now if you do not have an account on WISE, it's pretty much easier for you to create an account. Now launch any browser of your choice. Right here I'm using Chrome. Once you have launched your browser, check the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, all you need to do is to type wise.com and it's going to take you to the official website. And follow through with the process at the top right corner. To create an account, the process is self-explanatory, and once you're done, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage after your account has been created. Now let's get right into it. Now for us to get started with the WISE Affiliate Program, I'd like you to know that you cannot do that directly in the WISE account. As you can see, here we have home, here we have cart, we have recipients, manage, and then we have earn $50. Scroll the way down and see why they're telling us that we should earn. So let's click on that, but maybe that sounds like an affiliate thingy. So, not really affiliate though. So here it says invite and get 50 euros. So now you say share link. So this looks like the semi affiliate marketing thing. So go ahead and share link, and once you click on copy, now you can share link, and once you share link and then somebody comes in, it says a fee for transfer up to 500 euros when they sign up with your link. Awesome. And then 5 euros when 3 friends send over 200 euros in one go, 50 euros rather, and then SIM cards and transactions don't apply. So this is what you get once you copy this and then you share it to your friends, and then they make some transaction on WISE. This is another way to actually get money, but this is not the affiliate program, so do not let anyone deceive you. So where and how can we access the WISE affiliate program? I'm going to take you to a third-party website, and in that third-party website, we're going to be able to access all of the affiliate program offers that WISE has to offer. And what is the third-party website? Of course, it is PartnerRise. All right, so this is PartnerRise, and this is the creative overview. So this is my account. So PartnerRise is the fantastic affiliate marketing website where you can search all of the brands, that offer affiliate marketing programs or services, and then you'll be able to partner with this brand as an affiliate marketer on PartnerRise. So PartnerRise connects affiliate marketers to affiliate marketing brands. Simple, right? So here you're going PartnerRise. Here you have the dashboard, and you have campaigns, you have tracking, you have content, you have analytics, and you have payment. We're going to go through each of these options so that you can get acquainted with it. So let's head over to campaigns, because right here we want to sign up to the affiliate program for WISE, right? So here in campaigns, in this window, head over and click on join campaigns. So once you click on join campaigns, you can now head over to the left corner here where you see the search bar. So click on the search bar and go ahead and type WISE. Yeah, so you can see these are the results available for WISE. Now this is PetWise, and no, not PetWise. So PetWise says it has one eligible campaign, financial services. So let's see if we can definitely grab that. So go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, take you to another tab. So here, these are all of the details concerning the affiliate program, including the contact email, the address, vertical, promotional countries, and program description. So read all of those things until you are satisfied. And then head over to the right corner. It says WISE will review your application and notify you of their decision. And then if you have been approved, then you'll be able to access tracking links and promotional content. So you may contact WISE directly for help with your application. And now this is just one particular affiliate marketing program. If we had more than one program, you can now go ahead and click on this select all button, and it's going to just select all of them at once. But then if you have If you have more than one and just want to click on one, just head over to that one and click on the checkbox right there. That's if you don't want to click all of them together. So this is it, and head over down here. It says any sales agrees to the terms and conditions for Wise. So go ahead and click on that checkbox. If not, you will not be able to send your request. Go all the way down and click on join selected campaigns. Now, this means that you have definitely sent your request to be an affiliate marketer for Wise on Partnerize. So what exactly are we waiting for? We are definitely waiting for Wise to review the application and get back to us. So how do we know that we have been verified and Wise has definitely accepted us? Here's where you can find it. Now check the top corner and then go ahead and click on campaigns. Click on campaigns and whoa, this is really amazing. Do you know why I said it's amazing? Because some companies take days or weeks to approve of your request. But here you go, this is Wise. Wise has already accepted. And that's really nice. And how do you know that you've been accepted? You know, this is Wise and now it says participating. That means you can now start, or we are now officially an affiliate marketer on Wise. So how to get started? You know, you cannot just push out any link that you see right here. You have to get an exact tracking link that you can use to send to your friends and your family or your people in social media platforms, website, blogs. Post there, share there, and then allow them to make specific performance or specific actions to take so that you can definitely get your commission. Now, head over to the top corner, you're going to find tracking. Now click on tracking. Oh, so we're going to find Wise. So this is Wise, and this happens to actually be your tracking link. Now, so select a campaign to create tracking link. So this is the campaign and tracking link options. So I'm just going to have to select this campaign. All right. Now check the right corner. You're going to see brief, enter, address, deep link, tracking link, URL shortener, in all of this. So if you want to, this is a tracking link. So if you want to make this shorter, go ahead and click on generate and copy to make it shorter. All right. And then once you click on generate and copy, then you will now be able to copy your tracking link, which is already here. So this is now shorter than this. So go ahead and highlight this, copy. Now, once you have copied it, it's just straight away. You can now share it to as many people as you want to share it to. Now let's head over to content. So of course, once you share it, then they'll be able to, it will redirect them to Wise and they'll be able to take certain actions on Wise. Once they have done that, you're going to get a commission as an affiliate marketer because they used your tracking link. Now head over to content, and in this content, you can now manage, this is a creative overview of what's happening in your campaign. All right, so this is Wise, payout currency and all of this. So head over to analytics, and once you get over to analytics, now once you have shared your tracking link and then people start taking specific actions, you're going to see the number of links here, conversions, conversion items, total order value, and then commission. You can manage and track the progress of your campaign right here. And then this is payment. So here in this, under this headline, you're going to see how much you're earning, the pending, and then approved and confirmed and available. And then you can go ahead and click on this withdraw button for you to withdraw the amount that you have gotten or you want to withdraw on Partnerize. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can join or be a part of the Wise Affiliate Program using Partnerize Affiliate Marketing Platform. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.